So here's where we were last time. We got our seam in the middle. What they used to do is they used to trowel underneath and put glue, then it sticks. Then you guys saw that when we go to scrape it up, it doesn't always want to come out. So what we use is tuck tape, and we are going to show you how it's done. What this will do, instead of gluing it, it will help keep the underpad together when we roll the carpet out, because the reason why they used to glue it is so that when they rolled the carpet out, it wouldn't expand and there'd be a big gap in the middle of the room. So what we've come up with is using this awesome tape, and it just does the job. Nothing stuck to the floor, no gaps in the pad. Quick, easy, not dirty. And then when you go to rip it out, you got nothing to worry about. You might be